Aquino walking him down. Aquino throwing a nice leg kick. Seconds. Aquino with that nice straight. Side kick by Aquino.
Set mo kicks mo! Set mo kicks mo! Game ka, pagpapasok, game, pagpapasok. Nice one!
Montemor dazed by the amount of strikes that Aquino has unleashed upon him.
Open yung level, nakababa yung...
Nice front kick by Aquino. And a leg kick. Following up with an uppercut in a flurry of punches, cornering Montemor.
Oh, disengage, huwag ka ba kayo magsabayan? Nice one.
Walk him down, Aquino.
Stop contest.